kör vi. Like they're not attached to realize without hands they'll be hard to catch. Now this part is crashed. Guess I took a part in that, cause the effect of this lobotomy is hard to match. They tell me to get a job and I'm like, no deal. I'm on the break like Mike Schofield. Now not another weight gonna tie my shoulders. I watch the day go by like Yoda. Yeah, I'm from out of this world and you are being the fool. Pulling me in European the fool. I'm so hot and hip that people call me Firefly. If you can't see eye to eye, I'm gonna fucking time to die. I'm the archetype of right. Do you wanna might not quite on the one to put the down into carbon dioxide? We'll come to the dark side, the opposite dark side. That's why you're gonna dig it for your daughters and sons pride. Line them up in front of me, and I'll execute the lobotomy. Line them up in front of me, and I'll execute the lobotomy. Line them up in front of me, and I'll execute the lobotomy. Gotta be the best idea, and it's feeling great. Selling empty domes like it's real estate. Hur är läget då? Let me give it to you straight, no monkey business. I'll bring it to your niece like an uncle visit. This funky shit, it's a part of my life. They told me to always try to see the positive side. So on 9/11, during the main event, I ran around the Twin Towers thinking it's raining men. I swing middle fingers in your face. I float like a butterfly, sing like a singer in Police. You'll be all over me like flies or shit. Lend me your ears like when Mike Tyson bit. When I tightly grip the mic, nicely fits into my palm. An extension of my arm, the dimension of the ball. So you're ready to be alarmed, cause I'm ready to blow. Check the flow, yeah, I thought I ought to let you know. There ain't no quarters, Mike, no record of the view. 6 million ways to die, and we all gotta choose. Line them up in front of me, and I'll execute the lobotomy. Line them up in front of me, and I'll execute the lobotomy. Line them up in front of me, and I'll execute the lobotomy. Gotta be the best idea, and it's feeling great. Selling empty domes like it's real estate.
A lobotomy. There is no other way.
Some people get upset and they say to me that my methods are immoral, but say la vie. There are those who feed and those who get eaten. Still some of my subjects are opposed to their treatments. One punched me in the face and my only reply was, funny huh? You didn't strike me as a fighter. Seconds later I was ready for my next dispute. I'm the one to put the cute into execute. Now let me let you in on what's taking place. I'm emptying heads, I'm making space. So tired of the same old paper chase. You know I need a bigger challenge, so I raise the stakes. Of course I run my dollhouse with a bit of style. Then I get up on the sleep, I'm like for a little while. If you thought I need a home, then this bit is great. I'm selling empty domes like it's real estate. Line them up in front of me, and I'll execute the lobotomy. Line them up in front of me, and I'll execute the lobotomy. Line them up in front of me, and I'll execute the lobotomy. Gonna be the best idea, and it's feeling great. Selling empty domes like it's real estate.
Did I fall asleep?
For a little while.
Ja, men gott folk, fan vad kul att vara igång. Yeah. Mitt namn är Henry Bowers. Nu så för skitlänge sedan på det första albumet jag släppte på engelska så hade jag ett spår som hette All Out of Dog Food. Och det är ju illa nog. Så några år senare gjorde jag en låt som heter Rapping for Food för att försöka ordna till det här lite grann. Men den kampanjen var inte så jävla lyckosam, så nu har jag en ny strategi som jag ska förmedla till er här nu. Den heter Stealing Cookies. Får vi se om det går bättre.
Keep a civil tongue in your head, Bowers, or you'll be out of a job.
Emerging from the depths of all human villainy, spitting words with every breath, the rap music's killing me, eluding all the prudent fools, consumed by dignity, as I'm moving through, illuminated to my victory. The underestimated underdog will never be domesticated. Guess they hate it cause I'm on the rise like an escalator. Let's debate the pros and cons of a broken arm, or shut the fuck up and enjoy the song.
Shut up, Bowers.
No, I'm gonna be the guy with the wicked rhyme stuck up in your mind all the time. They could never find figure your squad, sticking in his mind, and then I'm leaving you behind, with a bit of pride, figure in your mind. time to cry for some help, tighten your belt, my time is now. See, I'm not gonna shut up for anyone or for anything. Recitals are vitals to me, so I just call it medicine. But better embedded than no competitors ever be. So stop it and suck it, I'm dropping off another evergreen. I took a single look, I never shook a dog now. Like a crook was stealing cookies from a rookie Girl Scout. Realizing that my fire is about to burn out. So I'm writing like I'm trying to make every word count. I took a single look, I never shook a dog now. Like a crook was stealing cookies from a rookie Girl Scout. Realizing that my fire is about to burn out. So I'm writing like I'm trying to make every word count.
Timber Bowers.
A demon is screaming inside my head as if it was sent to be deceptive. Instead of meant to these expressions, I know it's meant to be defensive. The range is elementary and it's offensively preventive. But evidently this here frenzy befriends me, so resent me. But it was already settled, it was what inevitable. Time for me to face the devil with my race and rebel. But I'ma surely race the rebels, so we got a long break. Safe to say the fallen angels for us come a long way. Stepping into the vicinity on my divinity, finding is having a bit of infinity. Stepping the ring, you better be ready and steady on point. Flipping the coin, finding is having a bit of a mess. I pit of the fool, but nevertheless I'm bringing the fuel to the stake on what you bake. Better be making no mistake, we're taking the bait. I never debate, so whenever bringing it, let it be heard. You better be clinging to every word. And I'm sick of the bigotry. Open your mind, you better be holding around. The biggest of all of the jokers around, but still I'm the one to be holding it down. I took a single look, I never shook the dog down. Like a crook was stealing cookies from a rookie Girl Scout. Realizing that my fire is about to burn out. So I'm writing like I'm trying to make every word count. I took a single look, I never shook the dog out. Like a crook was stealing cookies from a rookie Girl Scout. Realizing that my fire is about to burn out. So I'm writing like I'm trying to make every word count. I'm above y'all, you need to climb a mountain to reach me. Now I'm shouting on these beats with a mouth full of sweet teeth. And don't be getting it twisted, I'll show you willing to risk it. See, I'm that bitterness rich kid, instead of your biscuit. I guess that's just the way my less so fame infect the brain reacts. Don't make mistakes, I take the cake, the patient kleptomaniac. So quit your bitching, you've been tripping like you took a stumble. All you geeks just fall to pieces, just the way the cookies crumble. Get some of my thoughts, I better get safe, that it doesn't matter, I'm dead anyway. The dreaming to put in my head on the plate, and rubbing it with lemonade. Not talking the middles, I can't out of way, cause fighting myself is a venomous case. I'm not in my head of whatever they say, but still I would never obey. I'm still a sucker, I never shook my dog out. Like a crook was stealing cookies from a rookie Girl Scout. Realizing that my fire is about to burn out. So I'm writing like I'm trying to make every word count. I took a single look, I never shook a dog out. Like a crook was stealing cookies from a rookie Girl Scout. Realizing that my fire is about to burn out. So I'm writing like I'm trying to make every word count. I took a single look, I never shook a dog out. Like a crook was stealing cookies from a rookie Girl Scout. Realizing that my fire is about to burn out. So I'm writing like I'm trying to make every word count.
Bowers, pack.